Hi guys, my name is Kyndal, and I'm going to be making a slime and yeah, so let's get on. Ugh. You need some Elmer's glue. It doesn't matter how much, well, as much as you want is how much you need. And then I'm only making like a really little slime, so do like as much, not a lot, like at all. And then so you'll need some glue, shaving cream, contact solution, food dye if you want it colored. I'm doing pink. You'll need a bag. So far, I've made two. I've made this one, a small blue one. I've made kind of a big purple one. So, I have some glue in here. And, I need, what is the next step? Okay, so the next step, we're going to put some shaving cream in. And then we're going to go ahead and stir that in. And it's not going to start sticking. It's just going to look like glue. And next, we're going to use some contact solution. And pour it in there. And then that should keep it together. And you're going to stir it for a little bit while it's taking its form of sticking together. So we'll stir it, stir. And then next step, we are going to we're going to put a little bit more shaving cream in. Ugh, I can turn it. If yours isn't already formed, you put a little bit more shaving cream. And what you have made is going to start to form into slime. And hopefully it's not going to stick. If it does, just add a little bit more shaving cream and it shouldn't stick as much. And then if it does still stick and it's not in the form of slime like mine is, then you could add a little bit more shaving cream. But if yours is how mine is, it's still a little bit sticky, then you need to wait for just a second. And we're going to put the food coloring in. I just bought these, so these are like all the way full. And I'm putting 3 dots. And then, you're gonna wanna stir it all around with your, whatever you're stirring with. And I'm making mine pink, so it should start forming as like a pink color. And, hold on, you're tipping. It's all over the side. Start stirring this way. And then should be like almost into form, almost all the way there. You should stir it a little bit more, add a little bit more shaving cream, like literally a little bit more shaving cream. And then if it's not the color you want, you can keep adding some of the food dye. And then you will have your slime. Take it off of the whatever you're stirring with. If it's your hands, then just keep it there. And like, mix it like this, and then boom, you have slime. And so, yeah. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, leave a comment down below. of like requests of videos that you think I should do, like the would you rather videos, or I don't really know what else, but like the would you rather videos, or well, yeah, just any video. I can make more slime, do videos of me playing with slime, and then here's the purple one that I made that you were propped up against it. So I was holding it. And then, so if you like it, please leave a like down below, and if you do, I will like one of your videos after a while, as soon as I get it. Thanks for watching. Bye!